Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that KiiChain token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, KiiChain KAI is a specialized layer 1 blockchain designed to serve as a financial infrastructure for on-chain foreign exchange FX, cross-border payments and stable coin settlement. Purpose: build financial rail. It is an app chain focused on connecting stablecoin liquidity with global currency markets, specifically in emerging economics. Cosmos-based technology. The network is built using the Cosmos SDK and Comet BFT consensus, prioritizing interoperability and scalability for financial services. Targets real-world finance. 8 core use cases are facilitating 24/7 on-chain FX, cross-border payments, and the settlement of tokenized real-world assets (RWAs). KiiChain token total supply is 1.8 billion and circulating supply is around 312.45 million. KII token is listed on Binance Alpha, Bybit, KuCoin, MEX, Kraken, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project, up to 85% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.